I'm Katarina Johnson-Thompson and I'm a heptathlete. My training never stops and my coach pushes me to the limits to make sure I'm the best I can be. If I'm going to win, I need to be able to see the finishing line. I've worn contact lenses since I was a kid. They allow me to perform, they allow me to be free, and they just allow me to be myself. With contact lenses you just feel so much more comfortable, and yeah, it was just a huge difference. I was able to see from all angles and didn't have any blind spots. When I'm competing, especially in the hurdles, they tend to blur together, so for me, being able to see the hurdles individually is so important. A typical day for me is a sort of get up, get out of bed and put my contact lenses in and I'm good to go. Downtime is so important, especially because I'm training so hard. I think the rest days are just as important as the training days. I just completely chill out and relax at home or with my friends and, listen to some music and just completely, forget about athletics for a minute. My old contacts are feeling dry, so I went to the opticians and they gave me the new ACUVUE OASYS daily lenses. The comfort levels are just insane, I could notice it straight away. And I feel like it's giving me better vision, although it's the same prescription, it feels like I can see a lot more clearly, so I noticed it instantly. My vision is so important and I definitely couldn't be a heptathlete without my contact lenses.